Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Diddy Kong from Mini Mario. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is very easy to draw, just a lot of little basic shapes. So to begin, we're going to draw in the mouth and snout area, which is just going to be one long egg shape. So just draw one big curve going across like this first, and then now I'm going to come down. So it's almost like a football shape, but just not as sharp. From here we're going to go up and finish up the eye area first, and then we'll add in the little details. So I'm going to come all the way to the edge right here, almost to the side. Just kind of flare out. Now I'm going to come across. Just give a little bit of a curve. That's actually going to be the bottom of the cap. And then from here, we're going to finish up the cap. We'll just go up, just one big smooth curve. So pretty much a half circle. Alright, so I know it looks really strange right now. So let's go ahead and finish up the cap up here. So right in the middle, just gonna draw one little curve, and then on the corners here, just connect to the very ends right here, this little corner. Okay, and then to add a little bit more detail here, just draw another line on the bottom. We're just gonna give this visor a little bit more thickness. Just follow that line. And then on the corners here, just connect them. Alright, so that's going to be the cap, and then now let's draw in the eyes. So right in the center of this, you can make a little point, and then I'm going to curve out. Same thing here, just go up, and then just come down. And to finish up the eyes, we're going to draw in the little iris. One more over here. and I'll just shade it in real quick. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then for the nose, it's really easy, the little nostrils. I'll just add 2 little dots in here. And then now for the mouth, so right in the middle of this, just add almost like a little sad face first. So curve going this way, and then now I'm gonna swing it around. Just go back up. And then now for his ears, so come back up here, just one big curve. So this one's easy. Alright, so that's pretty much the head, and then the body's very easy as well. So I'm going to start out right here. You can make 2 little points, and then let's just flare this out for his little shirt. Come across. And I'm going to come down here and finish up the bottom first. So just basically one big U shape here. Let's go from side to side. Okay, so that's the torso, and now let's join the arms. So right here I'm gonna have this one going up. So I'm gonna start right here. Just curve up. Come down here. Another curve. And then now right here, just angle down and then add one little bump here, or one little angle. Alright, so that's the arm, and then now for the hand, just come out here. I know it's gonna be really strange, but just draw like a little rectangle up here. Alright, and then from this corner, I'm gonna curve into this. And then from this corner, same thing here, just curve. And then one more. So from this corner, draw the same curve as this. Just go into the arm. Alright, so now it looks a little bit more three-dimensional. Okay, so let's draw on this side. So I'm going to start up here again, and this one's going to be pointing downwards. So I'm going to curve this way. Come across here. Curve. And then again, just angle up. And then one little angle in the middle. And then again for the hand, very strange, we're going to draw a long rectangle again. So just start right around here. Okay, so the placement of this is right around here. And then now you can take this corner again. I'm going to curve up. Same thing here from this corner. Curve, just keep going until you connect to the arm. And then same thing here, from this corner, same curve as this. Alright, so those are his arms, and now let's finish up the legs. And the legs are very simple. I'm going to start on the inside first. Just going to curve down. Just a little bracket coming down. And then I'm going to the outside here. Just curve down. I'm going to stop right around here. Now I'm going to add one little bump going out. And then just close this off. So same thing here. Curve down. Stop. One little bump. Close this off. And then from this curve here, I'm going to continue this. Just curve it to the corner. Okay, and then we can add in one little line here for some details. And there's some details in the body, so we're going to finish this. Just draw 2 little lines, kind of taper inwards. Okay, and then now for the little star, you can come up here right in the middle of this. Just add a little angle like this coming down. Now we're going to go up. And we won't see most of the star, actually we won't see part of the star. So from here, I'm just going to connect right underneath the head. And that is it for this Diddy Kong. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.